Today, we're creating a hero section with a captivating entrance effect using photocards that fade in sequentially, along with a progress bar at the top. It's a great way to make a strong impression on visitors to your landing page or portfolio. First, open the left panel. Set the navbar's Z-index to 5. A higher Z-index means it will be in front of other elements. Drag an empty box onto the canvas. Resize it. And set its fill to transparent. This will be our content area. Organize the layers. Next, drag a text box into the content area. Adjust the fill and font. And resize it. Drag another box to create a thin border. Add text beneath it. Now let's create a button. Nest text inside a box by grouping it. Add padding. Adjust the height. Set a border. And round the corners. Change the height of the content area to auto and adjust the gap to refine the layout. For the Photocards effect, add a box and set its position to absolute, removing it from auto layout. Set the width and height to 100% to fully cover the hero section and make the fill transparent. Add another box inside to contain the photocards. Follow the same steps. Open the Layers panel to organize. Give the outer box a lower Z-index value than the content area to place the photocards underneath. Drag an image placeholder into the inner box. Follow the previous steps. Set its position to absolute and replace the placeholder with your favorite image. Duplicate the image placeholder and replace it with more of your favorite images. Now, let's animate. Resize the image. In the Appear view, you can adjust the initial state before the selected image appears. Set the animation duration to 1000 milliseconds and add a delay of 3000 milliseconds. Shrink the image then preview to see it slowly grow in size as it appears. Next, add Appear animation to the text. In the Appear view, set the duration to 1000 milliseconds and delay it by 1000 milliseconds more than the image. Set the opacity to 0 for a fade-in effect. Repeat the Appear animation for the remaining images. By controlling the delay, you can sequence the appearance of the images. For example, here we have created multiple fade-ins followed by a zoom effect. Enhance the design with a progress bar. Add an orange box, set its origin to the left, and add an Appear effect. Customize the duration and set the X scale to 0. Now, translate it beyond the canvas to exit when the animation completes. Add a new appear animation and, in this initial state, translate it back so it's visible before exiting. Animate the navbar by adding a new appear animation. In the initial state, translate it beyond the canvas and reduce its opacity. For the content divider, add a new appear animation. In the initial state, shrink the X scale to 0. Preview the animation for the entire hero section. You can also perform basic photo editing within the app to enhance text readability. Now, you've created a stunning entrance animation